Anyway, first of all, I'd like to thank everybody who's present here, watching online. Maraming pong salamat for being here today to witness our Thanksgiving. This is on behalf of Star Magic and ABS-CBN. Actually, we would like to thank first the team of PBB for doing a very successful show. To the house guests who went inside the house, but most importantly sa inyong sampung minamahal namin Star Magic artists. Thank you very much. You did a wonderful job. Alam niyo naman, this is one of the most successful edition, and it would not have been possible kundi dahil sa inyong sampu at syempre sa mga kasamahan natin na puso artists, part of artists. Kanina tinatanong kaya, remember you asked ano sana yung what do you want to be remembered for? Tama ba? Ikaw ba tinanong? Diba? Oh, I hope you remember this season for a cast of wonderful artists and human beings. So more than anything, hindi po sila naging artista sa bahay na to. Sila po ay nagpakatotoo, sila po ay nagpakita ng kanilang kahinaan at kalakasan. And I hope people will find inspiration sa pinagdaanan nilang buhay, sa tapang na pinakita niyo. We would like to thank you for the courage. Alam ko may agam-agam ang ilan sa inyo bago pumasok sa bahay na to. But you took on the challenge, you were courageous enough to share your life, especially you. I know it was daring step for you to do that. But I hope it was liberating also for you. And when I see you perform now, parang ibang-iba na yung nakikita ko. And I hope you all be humble, diba? Minahal kayo ng tao. And sana yung pagmamahal na yun, you keep it, you keep that core memory. Kasi hindi naman, ito bahay na to, hindi natin alam kung kailan na lang to. You know, this is also up for not being with us for a long time. So again, maraming salamat sa inyo, AC, Emilio, nasa ibang bayan, nasa ibang lugar. Thank you for your participation. Thank you for being a housemate. You are really a wonderful set of housemates. At hindi kayo makakalimutan ng sambayanan dahil sa pinakita niyong samahan at pagmamahal sa isa't isa. Again, thank you very much. On behalf of your Star Magic family and ABS-CBN, maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much.